Don't download Z Financial app before watching this. If you're considering Z Financial app for managing your investments, stop for a moment. Most people assume it's a simple, all-in-one solution, but the surprising truth is that it may not be the right fit for everyone. Z Financial is a Canadian investment platform that offers mutual funds, ETFs, and financial planning tools. It promises convenience, portfolio tracking, and access to professional advice. But there are some points you need to understand before signing up. First, fees. While Z Financial provides access to a wide range of funds, some of the mutual funds carry higher management fees than competitors. For beginners or small investors, these fees can eat into returns over time, making it less cost-effective than low-fee alternatives like robo-advisors or discount brokerages. Second, the app experience. Users report that the interface, while functional, can feel clunky compared to modern investment apps. Navigation can be slow, and certain account, statements or tax documents require multiple clicks to access. If you prefer smooth, intuitive apps for on-the-go investing, this could be frustrating. Third, account types and limitations. Z Financial primarily supports registered Canadian accounts like WIRSPs, TEFSAs, and non-registered accounts. If you're looking for more flexible international investing options or advanced trading features, this app may fall short. That said, the app does offer strong advantages for long-term investors focused on mutual funds. It provides professional fund management, performance tracking, and integrated advice, which can be valuable if you want guidance rather than self-directed trading. In conclusion, don't download Z Financial expecting a fully free, ultra-modern, and flexible investing experience. It works best for Canadian investors seeking professionally managed funds and long-term growth. By understanding the fees, interface quirks, and account limitations, you can make an informed choice and avoid frustration later on.